couldn't fix the trigger mechanism, so we just kind of made it run wide open all the time. You just kind of be careful with it. I wouldn't suggest if you do that yourself, but this is going to get us by for a while. There is Will. We're going to move on and do this one. He's looking pretty serious as he goes about his job. Oh, that's kind of teed him off. Doing a real good job here. Got to get every weed. We normally wouldn't be out here working in the rain, but Will wanted to try this weed whacker. And I think it's doing a heck of a job. He said earlier that he thought it started to die, but I've not heard that yet. This is an FL25 weed eater being run at full RPM. Full tank of gas. Now we don't know how old this is. I think Will had this given to him. Will, did you have this given to you free?
What?
Was this given to you free?
No.
Where did you get this? I don't know either. He gets a lot of different stuff from his neighbors and stuff he finds side the road. I would expect maybe that this thing came from beside the road for 20, 25 bucks. He does that a lot. So let's finish up this one here.
Oh, my hands are numb.
You want a video? And I'll...
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you can just keep right on shooting. Don't do anything. It's all running.
Yeah, just don't... You don't want to do at angles or anything, because it chews that fucking line up like this. If you're wondering, I'm the Below 2233. Yep.
Shut her down.
How do I do that? Just
Right here. Hit a little silver button.